Hello all. In this video we will basically see how we can use the arrangement mode. In the previous video we saw how we can use samples, we can use MIDI files, we can create a quick live performance by basically triggering various clips. So let's see this. So now let's see how we can take this and create it into a proper arrangement. So for that we just click on the arrangement mode over here, and as you can see in the arrangement mode the structure slightly changes. We have the timeline over here, and in the timeline you can see the beat lines and the bars. You can zoom out and you can zoom in as usual, and then what you can basically do is select the edit mode, where when the pen is selected you can actually start placing the samples on the timeline. This is similar to how you use in the piano roll. So all we're going to do is we'll start with, say, the hats. So we're going to place the hats. If you want to remove it, just right click it, it'll go away. You can just click on it and it'll automatically align, because in the samples we have made sure that it always aligns to a bar, so we don't have to do any editing over here. So we have placed this, and now let's place for the first 4 bars. We have hats, so we can actually place a little more. Let's zoom out, and for 12 bars let's keep the hats, and then from here, from the next 4 bars we're going to have the kicks, and then in the next 4 bars we're going to have the bias, and in the last we'll introduce this. This is just to check how the whole thing works. So this is how you can actually place the various samples. So now let's see if we can place this tab over here, and let's see how that's going to sound. Now let's see how we can do other things. For example, we can go into the select mode. In the select mode we can select a particular clip, which will be highlighted by the purple selection. When it's selected you can either copy, paste, and you can, for example, delete it. You can select a particular clip and click on delete, or you can actually select a particular track and then click on delete. So when you click on delete, it will clear the whole track. So this is how you can actually edit any clips over here. Now that we have seen how we can actually place the clips on the timeline, one thing you have noticed is by default we always were getting the clips from the scene 1. So these were the clips we are placing. Actually, in case you want to place a different clip, all you have to do is, let's say, remove these. When you select a track, you'll see a drop down here which will tell you which scene the clip you're going to place from. So let's place from scene 2. So you'll see the clip from scene 2 is coming here. Similarly, for example, for the bass, let's select the bass track here. Currently we are using scene 1. Let's place scene 2 here. Let's remove this and let's place scene 1 over here. Scene 1 over here. Now you can see that how you can place different clips. Now let's play and see how it looks. So this is how you can place clips from different scenes. So this way you can actually lay out all the clips over here, and then you can come into the arrangement mode, select a track, decide which pattern you basically want over here, and you can place it accordingly. So this way you have complete control over how you can create your own song. Thank you.